Brian in there. Just got through talking to one of the captains. We're getting ready to head out. Got a little bit of squid. A little bit of live bait in there. Wish the family was here. Wish the wife was here. Gonna go out here and try to make it happen. In beautiful Georgia. Somewhere between Savannah and Brunswick. Ready to the ocean. Not pushing the big boat. Yeah, you can see it. We're pushing the duck boat, the War Eagle. We're gonna get it in. And let y'all take a look at the aluminum boat. Gonna get it in. The last time you seen the duck boat